I'm just sitting here in my house having a nice time, and I'm sensing something's going to happen.
Shh, don't yell.
Oh, it's an earthquake! Earthquake! Everything's closing in on me. Oh, oh, earthquake! 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 Earthquake is pushing the house in on me. I'm gonna die. The tremor stopped. I wonder if it's safe. I wonder if there's been any damage done to my house. Well, that was a close one.
Yeah.
You have just experienced an earthquake simulation. Very similar to the accounts you receive in the news. It was all simulation. You see this right here? That's called a slide. This is RV. And that whole section slid inward.
All the way from down here, honey. All the way there to the other side of the chair.
And that's all you witnessed. I shook the camera like this. And the walls came in. Again, I repeat, it was just an earthquake simulation. There was no actual earthquaking. It was me quacking and me jiggling the camera. And then also the slide, which was out, and then the slide coming in. Once again, that was an earthquake simulation. Oh no, oh no, it's, oh no, no, this is the real one. We're having a real earthquake. Whoa. Again, it was just all simulation to create a stimulation in your brain. This is the end of the video.